In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Bill Payment Stub in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by creating the bill payment that will generate the stub, and then we'll print the check with the stub attached. This ensures your vendor gets a clear breakdown of exactly which bills were paid. First, create the bill payment in QuickBooks Online. Open the Create menu by clicking the plus icon labeled New, then choose Pay Bills. Pick the vendor you're paying and select the bill or bills you want to clear. Make sure the payment method is set to check. This matters because only check payments can be printed with a stub. Next, check the box for Print Later. That option queues the payment so it appears in your print checks list, and it also preserves the bill details that will appear on the stub. Before you save, confirm the payment date and total look right. And if you've applied any credits, verify the net amount reflects them. When everything looks good, click Save. A quick tip here. Take note of the bank account associated with the payment so you can pick it correctly at print time. Now let's print the check with the stub. Open the Create menu again and choose Print Checks. At the top, select the correct bank account. This filters the list to only the checks waiting to be printed from that account. Find the bill payment check you just created, then click Preview and Print. The preview will show the check along with its stub, so scan it carefully for vendor name, amount, date, and the list of bills included. If you're using voucher check, one per page, remember that the top portion is the check itself and the bottom portion is the bill payment stub. That stub is the breakdown your vendor will use to match the payment to their invoices, so it's important that the selection you made in pay bills is accurate. Load your voucher check stock into the printer according to your printer's tray settings, making sure the orientation matches the check style. When you're ready, click Print. If the alignment looks off or text is too high or low, use your printer settings or QuickBooks check setup options to adjust and try again. It's better to test on plain paper first if you're unsure of alignment. After printing, confirm the check number sequence is correct and file or send the stub as needed for your records and the vendors. That's it. You've created a bill payment, queued it for printing, and produced a clean voucher check with a detailed bill payment stub in QuickBooks Online.